approach to solve the problem is always considered as the best way to achieve success in professional life. Krishanu Bhattacharya tried his best to apply this principle throughout his life. In teaching profession, it is very difficult to keep students alert always during the class sessions. So, to make a lesson more attractive to them, using audio-visual tool is very effective. Since 2013, Krishanu is trying to introduce digital audio technique in imparting lessons among the students of Kalyan Nagar Vidyapith. For this purpose, he has developed a lot of PowerPoint presentations to make the lessons more attractive to the students. At present, the total number of such presentations is 42. Besides following the online examination model, he has developed digitalized examination to evaluate the students, and the number of such tests is 4. This presentation covers all the aspects of English language teaching, which are reading, writing and grammar. Krishanu has developed several text-based PowerPoint presentation for the students, and with this the content of the lesson has become more transparent and explicit. As for example, when Krishanu teaches Beyond the Barriers lesson among the students of class 5, he presents a total overview on the space initiatives undertaken by our country. This lesson usually covers the achievements of Rakesh Sharma and Kalpana Chawla. The pictorial depiction of the lesson on space research creates a clear picture before the students. Again, when he prepares the presentation on the autobiographical writing of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, named Strong Roots, for the students of class 12, he gives a philosophical understanding on the words of Jainul Abidin, father of APJ Abdul Kalam. By this time, Krishanu has developed 7 presentations for class 5. For class 6, the number of presentation is 6. For class 7, the number is 4, and 8, there are 3 presentations. For class 9, the number of presentation is 4. For class 10, the number of presentation is 12. For the higher secondary section, the number is 10. To improve the thinking ability and writing skill among the students, Krishanu usually asks the students to write extempore on topics outside the curriculum lessons. There is some wonderful experience in this regard also. In the year 2002, he asked the students of class 6 to write a letter to Goddess Durga just before the puja vacations. One student, Noor Islam, wrote a prayer that the world must be free from poverty. His father was a mason. This wonderful letter was published in a leading Bengali newspaper. The boy was felicitated by the school. In 2017, on Mother's Day, Krishanu arranged a writing competition among all students of the school to write on the role of mother in their life. For the students of class 5, he sometimes organizes music drawing exercise. The enormous response was also hailed by all. In this way, he is trying to make education more colorful among the students.